The breakdown of crypto trade FTX in November 2022 tossed a spanner in progress of Explorer computerized rebuilding cycle. All FTX initially won the bid to gain Explorer's cryptographic money resources in an arrangement worth $1.42 billion in late September 2022. It was subsequently detailed that account holders at Explorer got an opportunity of recuperating 72% of their resources on the finish of the FTX bargain. In any case, with FTX seeking financial protection in late November 2022, Explorer's recuperation plan was left in disorder. Could Explorer's clients hope to see their crypto resources? In this video, we investigate the Explorer crypto issues and significant VGX coin news. We will likewise discuss the new siphon and VGX costs, and investigate what could lie ahead for VGX coin holders and Explorer clients. Explorer Crypto Chapter 11. Will account holders accept their assets? As per Explorer's the 6th of July public statement, account holders with digital forms of money in their Explorer records will get a mix of cryptos. Continues from the 3AC recuperation, normal offers in a recently revamped organization and VGX tokens. What number of VGX tokens will locked account holders get? As indicated by Explorer, its arrangement examines an open door to permit clients to choose the extent of normal value in crypto they get, dependent upon greatest limits. In any case, the remuneration plan requires court endorsement and could change in light of the continuous conversations between parties. The organization added, clients with US dollar stores in their records will get admittance to assets after a compromise and extortion counteraction process is finished with Metropolitan Business Bank. Robert Honeywell, rebuilding accomplice at Worldwide Law Office K&L Entryways, talking about Explorer to Axios, said, in the event that you take a gander at the arrangement they documented, they're actually attempting to deal with this like a merchant vendor Chapter 11, since they put clients in an alternate class of unstable banks. Furthermore, every other person is in different classes. In a merchant seller Chapter 11, clients get need for their protections records and every other person gets what's left. Explorer said on the 6th of July 2022 that it had more than $110 in real money and crypto close by, which would be utilized to help everyday tasks during the liquidation cycle. The organization held about $1.3 billion in crypto resources on its foundation and cases of more than $650 against 3AC. Chapter 11 filings showed that few different organizations, including Alameda Exploration, Wintermute Exchanging, and Beginning Worldwide Capital, owed a sum of $1.12 billion to Explorer, which incorporated 3AC's commitments. Recovering assets from 3AC may transform into a burdensome errand for Explorer, after the Singapore-based Crypto Multifaceted Investments recorded a Part 15 liquidation request on the 1st of July. Part 15 cases look for complete examination cycles and insurance from resource seizures. A late August public statement from Explorer said account holders will get an email from Explorer Computerized Rebuilding which will permit clients to see how Explorer records their record possession. Explorer said clients could present their evidence of guarantee by the 3rd of October 2022 on the off chance that they contradicted their record holding data, or on the other hand in the event that cases were set apart as contingent, unliquidated, or questioned. Explorer's takeover closeout. All on the 27th of September 2022, FTX US won a sale to get Explorer's digital money, worth $1.31 billion as indicated by market costs at the hour of the bartering. The arrangement esteem was unveiled to be $1.42 billion. On the 21st of October 2022, Explorer said the arrangement got court endorsement and encouraged all clients and banks to cast a ballot for the arrangement to finish its conclusion. Since we trust the arrangement, including the deal to FTX US, augments recuperations to Explorer's banks, we ask all clients and leasers to cast a ballot for the arrangement, said Explorer. Notwithstanding, as FTX fell in November 2022, Explorer needed to begin the cycle all once more. Crypto exchanging stage INX presented a non-restricting letter of purpose to purchase Explorer's crypto resources for an undisclosed charge on the 30th of November 2022. INX will contend with Binance for Explorer. VGX siphon conspire. Token floods after Explorer Crypto Chapter 11. VGX token has seen outrageous moves since Explorer's Chapter 11. Market members overlooked the fresh insight about Explorer's Chapter 11 and on second thought decided to siphon the VGX token by 121% on the 12th of July 2022. On Twitter, a few clients posted tweets with the hashtag #PumpVGXJuly18. A Twitter handle named Metaform Labs, which professed to be a crypto adventure firm, said in a now-erased tweet that there had been an arrangement to siphon VGX to an objective cost $5 on the 18th of July. Comparable siphon plans were found in the other fallen tokens, like Cell. Starting around the 14th of July 2022, Cell token which is given by the bankrupt crypto loan specialist Celsius organization, had returned around 90% over the past 30 days regardless of the breakdown of its parent organization. On the 14th of June 2022, a day after Celsius suspended client withdrawals, the CEL token flooded as much as more than 800% to an intraday high of $2.57. Comparative moves were seen on the 20th of June and the 9th of July as the CEL token shut the meetings 74% and 22% higher individually. The U.S. Territory of Vermont's Division of Monetary Guideline noted in a proclamation that few web-based discussions were empowering financial backers to partake in a short crush of the CEL token. Financial backers who buy CEL tokens are facing a challenge that those tokens will forcefully diminish in worth or even become useless later on. Purposeful endeavors to control the cost of CEL may likewise disregard state and government regulations, said the DFR in an explanation dated the 12th of July 2022. After VGX's more than 100% flood on the 12th of July, the symbolic rose as much as more than 200% on the 13th of July, from an open cost of 33 cents to an intraday high of $1.03. It ought to be noticed that crypto siphon plans are normal in digital currency advertises and have been involved by the two con artists and Wales as a leaf system. While Explorer token has tumbled from its high in July, it mobilized following the fresh insight about FTX's fruitful bid, moving to a high of $1.17 on the 8th of September. The VGX token couldn't support the meeting. Starting around 5 December, VGX was down 85.5% in year-to-date terms and was exchanging at 43 cents. Explorer advanced. Ascent and fall of TSX recorded crypto bang. Explorer Computerized was established in 2018 as a stage for exchanging and putting resources into digital currencies. The organization likewise offered interest to clients for storing their crypto resources on the stage. Explorer supported store yields as high as 12% yearly rate yield by loaning cryptographic forms of money to different organizations. The crypto local organization likewise has its own digital money called the Explorer token. In September 2021, Explorer recorded on the Toronto Stock Trade. Around then, the organization was overseeing resources worth more than $5 billion and flaunted multiple million clients on its foundation. What is Explorer token? VGX coins are fundamentally utilized as remuneration and reliability tokens on the Explorer stage. VGX token holders were offered cashback rewards without commission exchanging and premium. As a piece of its dependability program, the organization sent off Explorer crypto-backed remunerations, where clients were paid in VGX for each exchange they executed on the Explorer application. As per CoinMarketCap, the Explorer token cost was around 6 cents during its initial days in July 2017. It hit an untouched high of $12.54 in January 2018. Notwithstanding, after Explorer's crypto issues outgrew control in 2022, VGX drooped. Explorer liquidation news, street to fall. In June 2022, various crypto firms like Celsius suspended digital currency withdrawals for their clients in the wake of confronting monetary troubles following the collapse of LAN, the breakdown of 3AC, and an accident in crypto costs. Explorer had consoled account holders into the